Let me explain to you exactly how India's vaccination drive will work. It will be broken down into three phases. The first phase is most importantly the transportation. Remember that the vaccine will be kept to the manufacturer's base. So that's in Pune Serum Institute and in Hyderabad where Bharat Biotech is based. Now from there it's going to be flown to in fact separate areas. It's going to be taken to other places like primary vaccine store centers which have already been identified in different cities. And then from there it's going to be transported in a van which is refrigerated so that the vaccine can be stored at a certain temperature. It's going to be taken then to a state vaccine center. Now from the state, that's when the state government and the center will work in tandem to ensure adequate distribution to all districts. Again, it's going to be done in a refrigerated van so that the vaccines are kept in the necessary temperature. From the district vaccine store, it will then be taken to primary healthcare centers which have been identified across the nation for the distribution of the vaccine. And this is where the experts also will be. And these primary health centers are across the country in almost every single district. Let me take you through phase 2 now. This is also important. This is where the identification of and vaccination of the person will happen. So it starts, of course, with the sub-center session site registration. A person registers themselves and then a session is allocated, which is when the vaccination actually happens. In the session allocation, there's a certain amount of time period that's given. 30 minutes is right now the time that's been placed for each candidate. Then we get to phase 3, post-vaccination. Again, a very crucial stage where there is an acknowledgement of the person being inoculated. Beneficiary is acknowledged. There's a unique health ID that's given along with a QR code based certificate. You can notice here that everything is virtual and it's easier to coordinate, and that's why the certification of the vaccine will be given via a QR code. And then if any side effects are reported, the person must immediately report it. They can also do so with local healthcare workers or also on the CoWIN app. So that's a brief explanation on really exactly what the vaccination drive is going to be looking like. This mechanism will be tested today in the mock drill. Milind Sharma is joining us with more details on this. Milind, good morning. A few days back, we were reporting on the first round of the dry run. That was also very, very comprehensive. It was largely also successful because no hiccups really came to light. What's the focus today? How many districts are we covering?
Well, at that point of time, that was the first dry run and was done in lesser number of districts, about 280 odd districts that were looking at the dry run. Today, the dry run is going to happen in more than 700 districts, and that's going to be a big challenge for the country as well, because looking at the vaccination sites, looking at how these vaccines will be transported from the logistics depots to the vaccine storage facilities. And from storage facilities, we've been told that the first set of vaccines will come to mostly healthcare facilities that have been created into session sites, because in the first phase, it's going to be the healthcare workers that are going to be vaccinated. So that process is going to be still looking at a particular road and route map that will be created. We've also been told that to transport vaccines, probably a corridor could be created right from the airport till the storage facility, and from the storage facility to the central state facility. But that would also be tried out in this mock drill. And then at the vaccination side, how many people will be vaccinated in 2 hours? We've been told 25 people at least have to be vaccinated in 2 hours at least. So that means about 100 people a day. And if it can be stretched to more than 100, that will also be checked at vaccination sites. The dry run, the second one, is going to be a major one before the final rollout of the vaccine in India.
All right. Milind, thank you for those details. Also important to note here that Union Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan will be in Chennai today to essentially take stock of exactly what the preparations are like in the city.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.